How to delete Twitter account, or also known as your X account, permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how we can delete our Twitter account permanently, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your Twitter account permanently, open up the X application over here. Once you do that, tap the profile icon from the top left, scroll down, go to settings and support, and go to settings and privacy. Then after that, go to your account and then tap on deactivate account. Now you might tell me that this is the option to deactivate my account and not necessarily delete my account. Well, that's not correct, because Twitter directly doesn't give you the option to delete your account. How your account gets deleted is that now after you deactivate your account will remain deactivated for the next 30 days, which means that it's as good as deleting it. Bottom line is that once you set your account for deactivation, from now it's going to remain deactivated for the next 30 days, and if you don't try to log in within the next 30 days, your account will get permanently deleted. So Twitter directly doesn't give you the delete option, they give you the deactivate option. Keep it like that for 30 days. After that, your Twitter account will get automatically deleted. This way you can delete or close your Twitter or your X account permanently. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.